In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF document directly in Gemini II. We'll move from idea to finished PDF in just a few minutes. The process is simple. Open your Gemini account, tell Gemini exactly what kind of document you want, wait for it to generate the content, export it to Google Docs, and then download it as a PDF. I'll explain each part clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening your Gemini account in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in and ready to create. Having a stable internet connection helps everything load smoothly. Next, in the Gemini chat box, enter your prompt for the type of document you want to generate. Be clear and specific. For example, I'm going to type, write a one-page report on the advantages and disadvantages of AI affiliate marketing. You can mention the length, the audience, and the tone you want. The clearer your instructions, the better the result. Also, avoid including any private or sensitive information in your prompt. Once you've entered your prompt, press enter and wait patiently while Gemini generates the content. Give it a moment to complete the response. You'll see a neatly formatted draft appear. If it's still writing, let it finish so you have the full text ready for export. When the content looks good, look for the three dots at the bottom of the Gemini response. Click those three dots, then select Export to Docs. This sends your generated text straight to Google Docs, preserving basic formatting and making it easy to finalize as a PDF. If prompted, confirm any permissions so the export can proceed. Now switch to your newly created Google Docs file. This is where you'll turn the document into a PDF. At the top left, click File, then click Download and choose PDF Document. Your browser will save the PDF to your default Downloads folder. That's it. You've created a PDF from your Gemini-generated content. To recap, you opened your Gemini account, entered a clear prompt for the document you wanted, waited for Gemini to generate it, exported to Google Docs using the three dots menu, and downloaded it as a PDF from the File menu. This workflow keeps things fast, clean, and consistent, and it's great for one-page reports, summaries, or simple documents you need to share. If you follow these exact steps, you'll have a professional-looking PDF in no time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with Gemini.